and welcome to our chick-in. I'm Danielle of the Plymouth Rock Farm, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about why we're adding Plymouth Rocks to our flock. Today we added these guys to our farm, and we're so excited to tell you why we love the Plymouth Rock. So the Plymouth Rock is actually one of America's first chickens and biggest chickens. Before World War II, they were created and founded in Massachusetts, which their name Plymouth Rock should come at no surprise. At the end of World War II, when chickens became more mechanized, they did start to take this breed out for breeds that would grow a lot faster, thinking your Cornish cross type of breeds. But these Plymouth Rock are still available today, and they prove to be very great for your farm. They're a dual-purpose bird, so they're going to be great at laying eggs. They lay around 200 eggs per year. That's going to be around 4 eggs per week, and these are going to be your nice, large brown eggs. What's also great about these birds is they're super great at different temperatures. So as mentioned, they started in Massachusetts, and they're super hardy birds. So they're going to be great for the colder weather climates, which is why we're really excited to add them to our farm in New Jersey, because they are going to be able to withstand our colder, harsher weather. This guy is a little chilled right now, so I'm going to dump him back in his brooder and give him some heat because he is a little bit of a chick. They're very trusting hens, they're great mothers, and they're great with families, so you're gonna love having them as your chicken on your farm. And one really cool fun fact about them is they've been known to lay eggs for up to 10 years. But your average bird is probably gonna lay eggs for around 3 years, and then their production is going to start to slow down, which is when you can have the dual purpose of having that harvest meat. I'm Danielle of the Plymouth Rock Farm, and I'm so glad that you came today, and I'm excited to see what you guys think of the Plymouth Rock and if you'll be adding it to your homestead. Comment down below, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye. Okay. Is it rolling?
It's rolling.